Hello everyone, welcome to Nampe's channel. So this video is really special video because I'm gonna share you guys one Thai menu we call Mu Nam Tok. So I hope you guys enjoy cooking at this quarantine time. Alright. Hello everyone, welcome to Nampe's channel. So for a new viewer here, my name is Nampe. So this is Nampe's channel, my Instagram account and Facebook page also named Nampe. Please subscribe my channel. So this video is really special video because I'm gonna share you guys one Thai menu which is very easy making. It is called Thai slide pork salad. And let's check out first how to make it and then I will try it afterwards. Let's go!
Here we go the ingredients. First, fresh sliced pork, vegetables, red onions, spring onions, cilantro, and lemon or some called lime, ground chili, fish sauce, ground roasted rice, and a little sugar, that's all. Now let's make it. First, let the water get boiled, then add the sliced pork that we prepare. Stir it. So the more you stir, the more meat will get right faster. But this is depending. So some say that don't stir. So yeah. Normally we grill the meat, but if you don't like the smoke, then just boil like I did. Then pour out some of its juice. Alright, the meat is ripe now, so the meat part is done. Let's begin adding some vegetables. Add all vegetables that we prepare. Add some red onions, spring onions, cilantro, and just add as much as you want. I repeat, as much as you want really. Then lemon or lime. I really like sour, so I will just add lemon again and again lemon. And ground roasted rice or toasted rice. And then fish sauce, and as much as you want as well. It won't sting that bad. And ground chili, if you really like spicy, then just put like this. Then again, ground roasted rice. If you like crunchy, then add some more. Then little sugar to make it taste balanced. And that's all. Just stir it. If you prefer this menu to be juicy, then add some juice that you pour out before. So sometimes stirring too much make you bored, then just sing a song and laugh like this. And yeah, I think it's done. Now it's time to put the plate and then pour out and let's eat it. I think it's done, yeah. Alright, let's review.
Here it is, Thai slide pork salad, and I'm gonna eat it. My sisters and my grandma, we made together, so I hope it's gonna taste very good. Normally, this slide pork salad we have with sticky rice and also with papaya salad stuff like that. But today I don't have sticky rice. Papaya salad I also don't have because I cannot go outside. It's quarantine time. Yeah, I'm gonna have it right now. And let's see how it tastes. This one. Only. No. Like it. So I'm gonna give this to her for the thing. She's gonna like it. But she also actually made this with us. Good? Okay. Okay, my turn. It is spicy, sour, a little bit sour. No sweet. It doesn't taste sweet, but tasty. So I think I'm gonna give this 9 points because I just feel like this pork it's not that fresh, so that's the thing. But everything else is very good. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video now, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. And I hope you guys find this video informative and helpful for you to make food and all stuff. Also, please subscribe my channel so I'm gonna see the feedback. If it's good, then I'm gonna make some more menus, some more Thai menus. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Bye, and I hope you guys enjoy cooking at this quarantine time. Alright, see you guys next video. Bye.